So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to activate communication on Zoho CRM platform. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now scroll down and look it for this website. Now select it, log into your account right here. After that select this profile icon. Now go with this option right here called Access Zoho CRM. Now choose the settings icon, scroll down and select this option right here called communication. Now select this button right here known as activate now, and just like that now you guys have activated your communication on Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thanks for watching.